There you go. Yeah. And we'll have a mirror over there so you can adjust.
Fix our hair.
Yep.
I'm Meg Oliver at GlobalFoundries in upstate New York. This is where they make microchips. The microchips we need in everything, from our phones to our cars and our TVs. The facility is massive. It's more than 400,000 square feet. It's about 7 football fields. On average, they produce about 1 million microchips a day. You can see it's fully automated as they breeze by there. But the demand is so great, it's estimated they need at least 10 times that amount. We're going to take you inside this facility to show you how they are trying to solve this global microchip shortage that's coming up on CBS Mornings.